Hey, it's Andy from UBCO here. Whether you've been riding your bike like crazy or it's been gathering dust in the garage, it's a good idea to check it over once in a while to ensure optimal performance and safety. In this short video, I'm going to show you a few checks to carry out. I'd recommend doing these about once a week if you're a daily rider. Before we get started, don't forget there's a handy field kit under the seat. This contains a user manual for any details and troubleshooting and a selection of tools. Right, let's get into it. Let's start with the front of the bike and check the throttle. It should feel smooth and return with no resistance. Now check that the handlebars are aligned. Check that the steering feels smooth and there's no cable resistance. Next, feel that the brakes are in good working order. The levers should feel firm when pulled. Inspect the brake pads for wear and ensure that there are no leaks around the levers or calipers. If you have System 2 brakes, check that the oil level is above minimum in the reservoir. Check all the controls on the handlebars are working. Lights, indicators, horn, and kill switch. Now check that all 4 hub nuts are secure. Next, check the tires. Take a quick look over them and check for any signs of cracking or damage. The tread depth should be a minimum of 2 millimeters and check that the tread isn't flattening out anywhere. Next, check the tire pressure. We recommend inflating them to 25 psi for standard riding or whatever is specified on the tire. If you don't have a gauge, you can visibly check and apply pressure to the side wall to ensure the bike is safe to ride. Check that the kickstand is working and not loose. Then have a good look over the bike and make sure there's nothing else loose. Now check that the lights are working. Headlight, rear light, brake lights, and turn signal. You might need someone to help you with this. When you go through these checks, if you notice any issues, check the user manual to see if you can resolve them. If not, please contact your UBCO dealer for assistance. That's it, you're ready to go. For your safety, please always wear a helmet and appropriate riding gear. When you start your ride, take a moment to listen for any unusual noise, vibrations, or resistance. Take care out there and enjoy the ride.